Hello friends, welcome you all in my page Online Chemistry. Today we will discuss about the calculation of radius according to Bohr theory. Radius of an electron is defined as the distance between nucleus and the electronic orbit. This is round orbit and electron is moving in this round orbit, and the distance between electron and nucleus is termed as electronic radius. According to Mr. Bohr, when an electron moves around an orbit, the radius of the electronic path or orbit is not arbitrary. Its radius will be bound by the quantum mechanical law, such that the angular momentum of that electron, that is mvr, equal to nh by 2 pi. We know it from our previous video, Bohr atomic model. Now what is h by 2 pi? H is the Planck constant and n is the principal quantum number. What is principal quantum number? Principal quantum number is actually the number of orbit in which the electron is moving. Okay. Now when electron is moving in first orbit, that is k shell, its n equal to 1. When electron is moving in second shell, its k n equal to 2, like that, so on and so forth. Okay. Now when a particle is moving in a circular path, how does it moves? It moves when two opposite forces are there. One is centripetal force according to inside the center, and another is centrifugal force, that is outside the center, and this is the velocity vector. When these two forces acting on this particle, the particle is moving in a round circular path. Okay. Now what is the value of the centrifugal force and what is the value of the centripetal force? The centripetal force here, as these two are charged particle, and the atomic number, if the atomic number of the atom presents atom has the atomic number Z, and we know that the charge of the proton is plus e, so the total charge of the nucleus is Jd and the charge of the electron is minus e. Okay, and there in the distance, that is the radius of that circular orbit, is r. Now according to Coulomb law, when two charges are separated by a distance r, these charges are q1 and q2 and these are separated by r, then the force acting between them is proportional to q1 into q2 by r square. And when we do this equal, then a proportionality constant comes, that is k r square. In CGS unit, we know that value of k is 1, k equal to 1 in CGS unit. Okay, so in CGS unit, what we write? F equal to q1 q2 by r square. This is the Coulomb law. Okay. So according to Coulomb law, the centripetal force will be equal to Ze into E by r square, that is equal to Z square by r square. Okay. Now what about the centrifugal force? Centrifugal force will be simply mv square by r. Okay, this is centrifugal force. Now when these two forces are equal, then the particle moves in the circular orbit or circular path. So these two forces are equal, Z square by r square equal to mv square by r. We go to next page. Now Z square by r square equal to mv square by r. Okay, so from here we write v square equal to z square by mr. Okay, and according to Bohr theory, what is mv square by r square, sorry, mvr, angular momentum, is equal to nh by 2 pi. This is Bohr law, and we have to put the value of v square here, to write that m square v square r square equal to n square h square by 4 pi square. Okay, so r square equal to, sorry, so value m square into v square means z square by mr into r square equal to n square h square by 4 pi square. Okay, now m cut out, r cut out. Okay, so implies that we get r equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m z square. This is the value of r. This is the value of r.